Okay, so let's create birthday centerpiece. Okay, first things to do is just inflate a balloon for your centerpiece, leaving only this length, 1 inch. Okay, now leave it right there and just get 2 balloons, approximate the size of the allowance at the end should be 4 inches like this for the centerpiece, because this time we will create a flower centerpiece. Okay, so create a loop for the flower. Another loop. This will serve as the petals of your flower. That's it. So this is the petals of your flower. That's it. So we have 5 petals here. Just do the same thing here. I think that's it. So we have 5 petals here. Okay. That's it. Now, make a bubble here 1 inch so that you can put this flower petals here. Exactly right here for the centerpiece. Now just do the same thing on the other side. Put it here, just like that. Now put it all together equally and twirl it just like that. And that's it. This is your centerpiece flower. Okay, just put it at the table with the base, just like that. Birthday centerpiece flower. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.